Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for all your love and support. As we all know, festive season is around the corner and I just can't wait to share this easy peasy classy traditional look with you guys all. This is a subtle classy look to carry out on any traditional festival. Well, I'm gonna name this Dussehra or Dashami special, but feel free to recreate it on any occasion you feel like. I will link all the products down in the description box for you. And if you like watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be the first to see the latest. You can also follow me on Instagram for styling tips and multiple product reviews. Okay, so let's get this started. So I'm starting off with this Nika K oil primer to moisturize and to add a sheen to my face, especially on those dry areas because I have combination skin. This oil is super lightweight and do not clog pores, which is again a good thing. And as you can see, it has got tiny shimmer particles to glow up the face. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Base Magique as a primer to blur out all the uneven textures and some larger pores here and there. It's a very lightweight silicone based primer with that velvety finish which will blend out with your finger very easily, and it just fills out all the pores perfectly. To fill my brows, I'm using NYX Stem and Frame in the shade black, and I will use this tiny strokes with an angular brush to give it a very natural voluminous look. For my foundation today, I'm using Poreless Matte from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 130 Buff Beige. As I have used an oil based primer today, using this matte foundation will help me to balance it out. And here you can see me cleaning out the edges of my brows using the same foundation with the help of this tiny flat brush, and gradually I'll just bring it down on the lids to cancel out any darkness. And here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight the highest planes of my face, and I will be also using it on my lid once more to cancel out the darkness and to prepare it for the upcoming eyeshadows, and later on I'll just blend them out with the same beauty sponge. Next I will use this Wonder Stick from NYX to cream contour my face. And after applying it on the parameters of my face, I will just blend it out using a kabuki brush. These brushes worked amazing for me. I got them from Amazon. They are affordable and the quality is really good. Next I'm gonna use this matte bronzer from NYX in the shade medium over the cream contour with this Wet n Wild angular brush. I just feel it makes the cream contour long lasting, giving the face a warm bronzing effect. I will start my eyes today with this NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm gonna take a bit of this orange shade as a transitional shade this time, and I'm using this brush from Morphe. You will get all the links of the products and the brushes and everything in the description box. Next I will use this Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics, and I will use this red to deepen the color on the crease area using the same brush from Morphe once again. And here comes the Twilight palette by You Can Be. I'm just building the red gradually, as you can see, and this time I have taken a thinner brush from Morphe once again. I will link it down in the description box as well in case you need it. Going back to the orange once more from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette from NYX to cover the lower lash line using brushes from Morphe. Both these brushes are from Morphe, and I will also link them down in the description box so that you can go and check it out. And from this Twilight palette once again, I'm taking this maroonish brown to intensify the inner as well as the outer corner using this thin Morphe brush, and I will also gradually drag it along the crease line as well to give it some more definition. And now I'm taking this golden shimmer from the You Can Be Twilight palette, and I'll use my finger to apply it on the socket area of my lid now. Next I will use this Inglot gel eyeliner and will draw a mild wing to give it a traditional touch. And the angular brush I'm using here is from Essence. And now I'm using this black kajal from NYX to cover up my waterlines to make the look more intense. So next, to add some color to my cheeks, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and the brush I'm using for this is from e.l.f. Lastly, to lock everything in, I'll use this Maybelline Infallible setting spray all over my face. Once again, it's an amazing pocket-friendly product by Maybelline. The next comes my favorite part, which is highlighting, and here I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. It's an amazing drugstore product. The texture is great. It has that velvety touch to it. It's neither sticky nor too powdery. It just melts down perfectly onto your skin, giving a very natural glow. For the ultimate Indian festive look, I'm gonna use this matte red lipstick from Milani. The shade is called Devotion and the formula is amazing. It's very lightweight and never makes me feel uncomfortable. This is my favorite red lipstick ever. Okay, so I have added some falsies here and the look is complete now. This is my all-time favorite Indian traditional look. I really hope this video helps you out, and please don't forget to show some love if you have enjoyed watching this video. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.